Ciao amici, hello, bonjour à tous, welcome back on my channel. I hope you're doing great. We're kind of inspired by the love of Valentine's Day, so that's why I decided to do a kind of part 2 of the other video. This time I decided different outfits so you're ready for your Valentine's. I'm going to show you 5 or 6, I think I have 5 or 6 outfits for Valentine's Day that you will be able to wear. I tried to pick different style because I know everyone has their signature, so I picked something that is more, how can I say, traditional. I have skirt, I have pants, and I have a sexy dress, so watch the video until the end. Also let me know which is your favorite ones. So without further ado, let's jump into the video, and happy Valentine's Day to you and to your couple. So this is the first outfit. It's this simple dress that I paired up with some earrings because I find that it's so simple, so you can definitely accessorize this top. So those earrings that you probably have seen in my holiday outfit, and then I put some tights, but as you can see there's a little bit of motif on the tight, so it gives a little something. Look how the shoes, they match perfectly with the dress. So instead of going with a black shoe or with a nude pump, I decided to go with the matching shoe. So it's a navy blue that I got recently. So this is something really nice for Valentine's Day, and the detail behind it, it's so nice. I don't know if you can see it correctly, but there's like button in the back all the way, so it gives such a nice and feminine look. So this is really comfortable, and this has pockets, so whenever you want to put your lipstick or your phone for Valentine's Day, so you can reapply the lipstick during the night at the restaurant or at home. So this is the first outfit. It's a mix between a navy and a royal blue that I got from Banana Republic, and the tights, I can't remember where they're from, but you can go with either no tights, or black tights could work. And the shoes are from L'Intervalle. It's the first time that I'm wearing them, so yes, I wanted something special so I can wear those shoes. So this is the first outfit that you can wear. Next outfit is a colorful outfit to celebrate Valentine's Day. I know it's not for everyone because it has a lot of different colors. If you know me, you know I love putting bright colors all together. So I have this really nice wall material red top here, and then I kept the same earrings, but you can go with something a little bit more classy. I have an orange top that you've probably seen in my summer video that I think I've put in with a nice pink top as well, and I love the combination. I find it so different and flashy for Valentine's Day, so I find it's perfect. But if you're a little bit more how can I say, traditional, you can keep the same top and then go with a black or a red skirt if you'd like, but I wanted something different and funky for you guys, and I pair it with nude pumps so that it's not too many colors. So this is an outfit that I really love, but this is nice because it's comfy and it's funky at the same time. You can wear for Valentine's Day or any other, like a cocktail party or whatever. So the top, Banana Republic, and then I have the skirt from Zara, and the shoes are my nude pumps. Those are from Louboutin, but you can go with any nude pumps if you'd like. Third outfit that I want to show you that I got recently from Zara. If you go on the website, you can find it at the moment. They have some really nice dresses like this, so it's a little bit loose here. Usually the sleeves are long, as you can see. I rather when the sleeves are up like this. It also gives a better figure. So this dress here from Zara, so the base is kind of black and then you have some flowers on top. The length is not too short, and I find it looks really feminine and really girly and cute, that you can wear even out on a summer day. Eventually summer is going to to come hopefully soon, so you can wear something like this as an everyday outfit. So I paired it with my nude pumps here, but you can go with open shoes, black shoes, stiletto, whatever you're comfortable with. So this is a cute outfit that you can wear for Valentine's Day, so something comfortable. And the material, it's kind of a silk material, and then you see here it's a little bit tight, so it gives a nice figure, so something girly, comfortable that you can wear. I can't remember which outfit I'm at, but I don't know why the camera cannot pick up the color of the blouse. It doesn't seem to pick it up at all, but this nice fuchsia chemise that I tucked into a light pencil skirt. So if you're not crazy about skirt, you can go with a pair of jeans, a pair of pants. If it's hot, you're in a warm country, some nice sophisticated shorts if you'd like as well. But I find that this is really feminine, a little bit corporate, but it's really sexy, and you can open it up and put a kind of a nice bra underneath, like something with a little bit of dentelle, and then you see here that could be something that you can do for your husband. So this top here that I got from Marciano, you can put it up if you'd like this, but I like when it's a little bit more open. And then I have this pencil skirt that I find that the combination is really nice, that I got from RW&Co. I find it's really nice, really fancy. You make sure that your chemise is really tucked in, because you see here, this is literally the button-down shirt that you see here, so keep that in mind. And then of course the nude pumps. So I really like this top, really feminine, and I love colors like this. That's another outfit that you can wear, even doesn't have to be for Valentine's Day. You can wear it for work as well, for an event, or you can kind of do a bow in the front. That could work as well. This is a bonus outfit. For those of you who are not crazy about skirt, I got you covered, so that's why I created this bonus outfit. So it's the same outfit as the other previous one, but you see, with also if you don't have a pencil light skirt, something like this could also work. For sure it's more for every day, but for Valentine's Day it could work as well if you put your nice handbag and your nice coat on top. But that was just a little bonus for you guys. Okay, so this outfit is for people who needs to go outside. So let's say you're invited to a restaurant and you need to go out and it's a little bit chilly. So I wanted to show you that you can still look good with a coat. So I got this coat. Of course, I needed a red coat. Usually people go for beige or black, but I saw the red one and I literally jumped on it. So this coat here that for me screams Valentine's Day because of the color. But you see that even though it's kind of a coat, you can wear it as a outfit. So I find it's really nice with some simple white pants underneath, and so at least you keep yourself warm and you're stylish when you walk out of the restaurant. So that's just another bonus for you guys, to show you that you don't have to put your big coat. You can go with something that is a little bit more chic to go with the outfit that you'll choose. And of course, wear a scarf if it's really cold, and some glove. But yeah, this is something that you can wear as well. Last but not least, I know this outfit is not for everyone. It's a little bit more about chicka wah wah than the other ones, but I find it's really nice. And for your records, I have something underneath, just in case you're thinking that this is my skin. It's not. So basically I got this dress, I would say I think a year ago from Guess, but I find it's really nice and really sexy. For sure, it's not for everyone. Not everyone will be comfortable wearing something like this, but for Valentine's Day I find it's perfect, because yes, it's sexy, but it's not vulgar. So for sure you see a little bit of cleavage here. It's a little bit tight, but it's not too short. So if you're comfortable wearing outfit like this, go for it. Valentine's Day is the perfect timing. And then you can go with a bold lipstick that I have and some soft makeup as well. But you see, really nice, and I'm pretty sure your husband's gonna be pretty happy that you're wearing something like this. So this is the end of my video. I think I covered 6 outfits and I really hope that you enjoyed them. Let me know which one you like the most. Oh, and I forgot to say the same nude pumps. And I wish you all the love, a beautiful day. Let me know what you have planned with your husband, with your boyfriend, or with your friends. So take care of yourself, take care of your family, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.